Okay, first I put on this headband thing that it came with, then I take the top of the bonnet dryer and I place it onto the floor. I use one hand to gather all of my hair like this, and then I struggled quite a bit when I brought the dryer back up. What I'll do next time is I will gently lower all of my hair into the dryer while it's still on the floor. Because watching this back, this is probably how my waves got all bent out of shape. I then attach the dryer to the other end. I turn on the dryer on high speed, medium heat, and I left it on for like 10 minutes because I am quite impatient. My roots were still wet at this point, but my ends were pretty dry. It's also in a gel cast, so it looks wet even though it isn't. Then I air dried the rest of the way, and I did get a little bit more frizz than usual, so I will be trying this out again the next wash day, and hopefully I'll get a better hang of this because I hate diffusing.